Hey y'all, this is a quick video of the solution for my truck not starting. It ended up being the fuel selector switch was bad, but to run you what I went through, it would crank and would not start. It would crank just fine, no start. Swap tanks, crank fine, no start. Added fuel in both tanks, would not start. Came over here, put a little bit of starter fluid in, fired right up, and then died instantly. So I knew I was having a fuel issue. I found online, this is the fuel pump, I think the fuel pump fuse. This here is the fuel pump relay, which is also the exact same part number as the horn relay. So I swapped these just to check, and it didn't make any difference. Crank no start. Check this, was good, crank no start. I saw another video of a guy, this is a diode. He said he was only getting maybe like 8 volts or something from here. So he pulled it out and reseated it, and I guess cleared up the contact, and for him it fired right up, but for me it did not. So a little bit more research online, it left me to the easy stuff is going to be the fuel selector switch or the inertia switch on the Copilot kick panel. Well, so O'Reilly's had one of these in stocks, $30. Pulled the old one out, put this one in, instantly fired up. Aside from sputtering, it's been sitting for about a week, but both tanks are working, and hopefully this video can help somebody else out. All right, good luck.